Hey hotties, it's Hot Chick here, back with another video. In today's video we are gonna get glam, okay? So I came up with this green look. I want to do something green because I haven't touched green in a while, you get what I'm saying? So I'm like, let me bring something new, something fresh, something extra to the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely beginner friendly, so if you're a beginner, don't be alarmed. This is something that you can do easily, okay? Easily. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I got this look, so keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's hop right on in. So I'm taking some concealer, just cleaning up my brows. I already filled my brows in using my ColourPop pencil. And if you guys want to see a brow tutorial, y'all just let me know. Y'all, I have no problem giving you guys just that. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just blending out my brows so I can get on to eyeshadow. So now we're taking the Jlarue eyeshadow primer and we're just priming our lids to prepare it for eyeshadow. I'm using something lighter just so the colors can pop more on my eyelids, and I'm just blending that and making sure that base is even all throughout. So now we're going into this green shade from the GlamLite palette, the artist palette. And we're just blending this green shade onto our lid, into our crease. So I'm just focusing that color right onto my crease and just making sure I get a good blend on the outer corner. So now I'm going into this yellow shade and I'm taking it on the outer edge of the green that I just put down. And we're just blending this until the edges of that green is seamless. Taking this blue shade, I'm going to add this right on the edge of my outer V, and we're just going to focus that blue right in that area and then blend it right underneath that green. We're going into this black shade and we're just going to focus that right on the outer edge. We're not blending that into our eye. We're just keeping that right on the outer edge. Taking a baby wipe, we're just going to wipe off our lids. See, this method pretty much gives your lid a clean base to work on while you're cutting your crease out. And I'm taking that same Jlarue base to cut my crease. So just take your time with this part. You know, cutting your crease is not easy until you get the hang of it. So just take your time and cut. Now onto this white shade, shimmer white shade. It's like a shimmery gold. I'm going to place this right on top of the Jlarue cosmetic base. And we're just going to pat that until we cover every part of the base. And here's how we are looking. Use your favorite eyeliner, and I'm just taking this one from Sephora. This is like their blackest eyeliner, and we're just going to go ahead and just line our lid. We're not really doing a wing, we're just doing like one simple line across the lid. On to foundation, I'm taking my Huda Beauty in the color Nutmeg, and we're just placing it all over. If you notice, I do have discoloration, like my face is darker than my body, so I like to go a little lighter to match my chest and my neck. And we're just blending that out with a Real Technique brush. Using my sponge just to give it like an airbrush finish. You want to just bounce that all over your face and, you know, make it do what it do. Onto concealer, we're taking our fave Juvia's Place in the color number 10, and we're just placing that all in our highlighted areas. I did do a foundation routine, or like a highlighter and contour routine, in my last video, so just make sure you check that out. Also, I'm taking my Juvia's Place shade stick in the color Congo, and I'm just topping that with a little bit of the shade stick in Katsina, just to give it like a little bit more blend. And now we're just using like an angled blush brush just to blend that all together. Now to blend out under the eyes, just take your same beauty sponge and just make sure you're blending in place and outwards. You don't want the highlight to go anywhere where your contour is, so just make sure you just take your time with this part. Using my foundation brush, I'm just blending the highlight and the contour together. On to setting, we're taking Sacha Buttercup powder and we're just placing this right where the highlighter areas are. This brightens and does the trick for me, so I won't have to go too bright with my concealer. And I love this powder. It gives me like an airbrush finish. I like to do 2 different layers with my setting powder. The first layer is like a barrier for the second layer, just so the blending process can be a little bit easier. Now we're going on to our MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NW48, and we're just setting everywhere that we put our foundation down. Taking some eyeliner and just completing the look, and we're gonna top that with the black eyeshadow that we used before. Let's go ahead and dust this off. I like to press in under my eye with the same sponge, no extra product, to get that airbrush look. And now on to bronzer. We're using Fenty Beauty in the color Mocha Mami and just bronzing up our face. Morphe Continue Setting Spray just to set it on off and let all the powders do what it do, everything melt and come together. Now we're taking some lip liner from Wet n Wild. The color is Simma Brown Now, and we're just lining our lips just to give it some contour before the gloss. The gloss that I'm using is ColourPop Intersection Gloss. Face is complete. We see you, sis. Okay. So here's a completed look, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So many other looks are coming your way. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. See you guys in my next one. Peace out.